Logan just hit his head. Ele deu uma cabeçada no chão, mas ele tá bem já. Não doeu, né? Cadê o óculos? Olha o vermelhão. Look how red. Your head looks red. You want the glasses? Ah! Ah! Look. Yeah! I look cool. I look cool. Yeah. Now you can put them back on with one hand. Hi, baby. Your forehead is so red. Yay! Put it back. Yes. Do it. Whoa! Open up. Grandma's just talking to Tony. Baby. Logan, you wanna go in the pool again? Let me look at your head. You got a red bump. You should get the fishy. É? Verdade? Verdade verdadeira, mamãe. Cadê o baby? Go in the pool. Oh, look at your butt. Nice butt, Logan. What, honey? Whoa. O que é isso? O que é isso? I am the birthday boy. Yeah. Cadê o Logan? Ó. Toma isso. Ah, é? Eu não molhei seu olho. Ai. Ó o bebê. Toma água? Watch out. Whoa. I knew it. Too much water here. Look at that butt. O que é? Uou! O que você tá fazendo, bebê? Eu tô sendo comida pelos mosquitos. Dá tchau. Tchau, Logan. Dá tchau. Tchau.
Because I'm going to be getting a FedEx package here tomorrow.
You will?
Yeah.
Why?
He says it's a network extender thing.
For what?
Plug it into something and your router, and you can get crystal clear phone calls on your cell phone inside the house.
For you or for me?
For a Verizon phone thing.
Oh, I was gonna say, damn, I need one of those because my phone doesn't work in the house. Tony, I need one. Find me one. I'm gonna say it. I was like, what about mine? My phone is the one that doesn't work. No, but mine is a Metro. That's funny. Blah, 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 blah.
you mixing?
You can put the water. Well, you can, but
Are you mixing up some water?
na 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 pa 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 pa.
You can dance to any tune.
Anything. Sério? Que foi, amor? You wanna put a shark in the pool? That bag is cute. She was like, oh, it's full of holes, so you can put the
One
two.
of the pictures I have when Shirley put that up next. Jess was holding Logan, and she put that with the shark face up.
No, I didn't see it.
But it looks like it's biting Jessica in the face. The shark.
Oh, that's funny. No, I didn't see it. Logan, can you turn this way? Logan.
Throw the ball.
Yay! Go get the ball. Go get it. Ay, 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 mister.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Come back in.
You're scaring us when you do that. You go head first into the stretch.
No, that's why also I got in the grass. He's been doing better. This first time when he was on the other side. Oh my God.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
You got things in your hands.
Go wash your hands. Wash it, not eat it. Too late.
Okay.
Doesn't taste good, Logan. Look at him tasting the thing.
Rinse your hands. Look at them in your face, Logan.
Yeah, he ate it. He just put it in his face. Drink water. Come on, baby, drink some water. Let me see it. Whoa!
Wash your hands. Good job. Oh, almost empty.
That's it. No more water. You need to go in the pool. Go in the pool again.
All done? All done? Not more water? Not more water?
Drink it. Slow. Yeah, that's good. Good job. It's almost empty. Where's the water? Go get the water in the pool. Whoa.
It's like soup.
He loves water. Where's Logan? He'll hide behind the ball. Where's Logan? Where's my baby? Where's my baby? He does it. Whoa! I say, mommy. Where's Logan? I lost Logan again.
Where's Logan?
Logan. Logan. Cadê o Logan? Oi, mami! Mami!
Where's the baby boy?
Cadê o baby? Hide it.
Where's the big boy?
Hide it from mommy.
Look at my ears. Oh.
Yay!
Go, ta-da! I did it.
Bro, look at the neck.
More. More.
Drink water. Yeah, drink it. Slow. Yeah, go.
Logan. Slowly.
More water. Cadê o baby? Where's Logan? Logan is hiding from mommy. I'm gonna get you.
Where's
Baby. Hey! I see.